guys, you're watching Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this new video is all about avoid saying bye, which means upgrade your German skills and let's learn how to speak bye in German language with different words. I hope you're excited. Let's start the video. If you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Gyan. I'm a CEO and the founder of Gyan. Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, like whatever you can think around German. Gyan is a one-stop solution. So why are you wasting time? Let's get into the video and we'll catch you in the end. Let's go.
Stop saying cheers because there are so many unique, expressive and even funny ways to say goodbye. So first are the casual farewells. These are perfect for friends, classmates, neighbors or in the WhatsApp groups. The first word is cheers, means bye, and this is really very overused, so let's spice it up. Second is Mach's gut, which means take care. For example, ich gehe jetzt nach Hause. Mach's gut means I'm going home now and take care. So for this you can respond du auch, means you also. Third is bis bald, means see you soon. For example, wir schreiben uns bis bald. So these are good for friends and neighbors. Next is bis später, means see you later. For example, ich bin kurz weg, bis später. This is used when you are likely see them again the same day. Fifth is bis dann, means see you then. For example, der Unterricht ist 3. Bis dann. Sixth is bis gleich, means see you in a bit. For example, ich hole nur Kaffee. Bis gleich. Seventh is hau rein, means catch you later. For example, ich muss los. Hau rein. Now, hau rein is a very colloquial term and this is only used for friends. Next is ciao, means bye. For example, ciao, bis morgen. So this word is very trendy and it is used especially by younger people. Next is servus, means bye or hello. This greeting is used in the southern Germany like in Austria. For example, servus, wir sehen uns. Next is ade, means goodbye. This is a Swabian or Bavarian term. For example, ich muss los, ade. 11th is man sieht sich, means see you around. For example, war schon dich zu treffen. Man sieht sich. Next is ciao or ciao mit ihr, means bye. For example, ciao mit ihr, mein Freund. This is fun, playful and used in the parts of Western Germany. Now we have some formal farewells which are perfect for the office, emails, phone calls or speaking to people you don't know well. The first farewell is auf Wiederhören, means goodbye. For example, danke für das Gespräch, auf Wiederhören. Now remember, you use auf Wiederhören on a phone call. Next farewell is ich wünsche Ihnen einen schönen Tag, means I wish you a nice day. For example, danke für Ihre Hilfe. Ich wünsche Ihnen einen schönen Tag. Next is schönen Tag noch, means have a nice rest of the day. For example, ich muss jetzt los. Schönen Tag noch. Another farewell is schönes Wochenende, means have a nice weekend. For example, bis Montag, schönes Wochenende. Next is ich verabschiede mich, means I'm taking my leave now. For example, es war nett mit Ihnen zu sprechen. Ich verabschiede mich. Next, wir bleiben in Kontakt, means we'll stay in touch. For example, danke für Ihre Bewerbung. Wir bleiben im Kontakt. Ich wünsche Ihnen einen angenehmen Abend, means I wish you a pleasant evening. This is perfect for emails or meetings in the evening. Now some farewells for writing and for the chats. Here on the screen you can see some of the short abbreviations which you can use while chatting or while writing an email. So the first one is LG, means Liebe Grüße. This is used in casual messages. Second is VG, which means Viele Grüße. This is semi-formal. Next is MFG, means mit freundlichen Grüßen. This is a formal email greeting. Next is be, means bis bald. This you can use with your friends while chatting. And next is see you, means see you. This is in English and Germans also use it. These are used by the young people informally. Now, after knowing all the farewells, we should also know some cultural tips and mistakes to avoid. So here are some. Remember, don't say bye-bye in professional settings because it sounds childish or informal. And never mix up Tschüss in ultra-formal emails. Instead of this, you can use mit-freundlichen Grüßen. And then we have one more word, which is Tschüssi. So this is often used by kids or it is very informal with friends. So this sounds cute, but don't overdo it. Instead of this, you can just simply say Tschüss. On the screen, you can see a practical dialogue. So dialogue 1 is informal, second is informal, and once you read these, you will know that how to use a greeting informally and then how you can use a formal greeting. So the informal one is Ich muss los, wir sehen uns morgen. Then the reply is Alles klar, mach's gut, ciao. And for the dialogue of formal writing, the dialogues are Vielen Dank für Ihre Zeit. Then answer is Sehr gern, auf Wiedersehen und einen schönen Tag noch. So this is how you use different greetings in different situations.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you know how to avoid simple bye in German and use the most updated German words. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.